hot sauce. We got Gita's famous Applewood smoked barbecue shrimp. Yes, sir, baby. Applewood smoked barbecue shrimp. Yes, sir, baby. We went $2.25 on this right here. It only took like 15 minutes. Then we added the sauce. See how that sauce baked in there? Oh yeah, she baked in there. Definitely hot sauce. Got some more sauce for dipping, that is. Yeah. She is famous. Applewood smoked barbecue shrimp. Yes, sir, baby. Oh, yeah, we got to have those Nathan fries right there. Yes, sir. Put in the oven for 20 minutes. Done deal. Thick cut. Famous Nathan fries. Oh, yeah. Definitely hot sauce right here, baby. We got Gita's famous Italian dressing injected chicken breasts. Yes, sir. These are injected with Italian dressing chicken breasts. Oh, yeah. We went about an hour, almost an hour and 20 minutes with these. They came back with the Italian dressing topping. It's too cool. You like? Oh yeah, she like anything. She got beer right beside her, so she good. Go dogs. Anyway, Coors Light. I need that sponsor, babe. Definitely a hot sauce dish right here. Yeah. Smoked, Applewood smoked barbecue shrimp. Yes, sir, baby. Look at that. Perfection. 15 minutes. 5 minutes, add the sauce. Well, sauce for 5 minutes, that is. Let's see how that sauce just baked in there. Oh, yeah. Both got Gita's famous rub on there, that is. A little olive oil, Gita's famous rub. Done deal. Oh, yeah. Let me get over here a little closer to this right here. Oh, yeah. So I can see the smoked Italian dressing injected chicken breasts. So these are injected with Italian dressing. Can't go wrong with that. Applewood smoked. Went over just a little bit over an hour on these right here. Then came back with the Italian dressing. Definitely hot sauce. Gita's famous smoked barbecue shrimp and Italian dressing injected chicken breasts.